Energetic good morning to respected father, sisters, teachers, and my dear friends. Today we are celebrating this great national event. As we all know that Independence Day is an auspicious occasion for all of us. India's Independence Day is the most important day to all the Indian citizens and has been mentioned forever in the history. It is the day when we got freedom from the British rule after many years of hard struggle by the great freedom fighters of India. We celebrate Independence Day every year on 15th of August to remember the first day of freedom of India, as well as remember all the sacrifices of the great leaders who have sacrificed their lives in getting freedom for India. India got independence on 15th of August in 1947 from the British rule. After independence, we got our own nation, our motherland. We should all feel proud to be an Indian and admire our fortune that we took birth on the land of an independent India. History of slave India reveals everything that how our ancestors and forefathers had worked hard and suffered all the brutal behavior of Britishers. We cannot imagine by sitting here that how hard the independence was for India from the British rule. It took sacrifices of lives of many freedom fighters and several decades of struggle from 1857 to 1947. An Indian soldier, Mangal Pandey, in the British force has first raised his voice against Britishers for the independence of India. Later, several great freedom fighters had struggled and spent their whole life only for getting freedom. We cannot forget the sacrifices of Bhagat Singh, Shivram Rajguru, and Chandrasekhar Azad, who had lost their lives in their early age just for fighting for their country. How can we ignore all the struggles of Netaji and Gandhiji? Gandhiji was a great Indian personality who taught Indians a big lesson of non-violence. He was the one and only who led India to get freedom with the help of non-violence. Finally, the result of long years of struggle came in front in 15th of August 1947 when India got freedom. We are so lucky that our forefathers has given us a land of peace and harmony where we can sleep whole night without fear and enjoy whole day in calmness. Our country is developing very fast in the field of technology, education, sports, finance and other fields which were almost impossible before freedom. India is one of the countries rich in nuclear power. We are going ahead by actively participating in sports like Olympics, Commonwealth Games and Asian Games. We have full right to choose our government and enjoy largest democracy in the world. Yes, we are free and have complete freedom. However, we should not understand ourselves free from responsibility towards our country. As being responsible citizens of the country, we should always be ready to handle any emergency condition in our country. Thank you and Jai Hind!